So good evening, friends. I request everyone to please be on mute. Akshay. So in the last week, sir, just we started all these programs like LBP 1 to, sir, LBP, we covered up to LBP 6, right? Yes, we completed up to LBP 6, free coffee cups. Now in today's session, so we are going to start a new logic based programming, first program, I mean seventh program, LBP 7. Of course already we discussed, but anyway let me revise for a few more minutes so that we will get. Is there any planning for only Python series? No sir. Nikhil, no. Yeah, please concentrate, then you can ask your queries. Please don't go to chat window, please listen first. Okay. And so few people are having a doubt, sir, how to log in with the hacker rank link. This is our hacker rank link, and I told already few people sent a message to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, so I will share this even in WhatsApp also. So remember carefully, you need to log in with this particular link, so to enter into the hacker rank website. Okay, so from there you can able to get all the information whatever you required. Okay. Yes, now if anyone is unable to log in, just follow my instructions. So what is the first step that you have to do is nothing but you need to log in into a new window like this. So from here, just you need to press this particular URL and just press enter. So here, sign up, you need to click on sign up. You need to click on sign up. Once if you click on sign up, it will ask, so your credentials. Suppose if you have already login credentials, you can log in with your email and password. And if you are a new person for hacker rank, just you can sign up with first name and last name, email ID, and you can set the password and you can create an account. The easy way beyond these two is nothing but you can go with the Google account. So it will ask from which Google account you want to log in. Just to provide your email ID and password, click on next, automatically it will redirect. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to log in. Sir, already just we have our main window is there. 1 minute, it is opening. So our main window is there. Yeah, so you have to open this Chrome. Okay, sir, in this please paste that URL whatever I have given and just press enter. Okay, so it is asking enter into the contest. Just you need to press this enter contest. So I already logged in, that's why it is directly redirecting. Okay, sir, you can see our batch name I have given LBP 5. So challenges, how many challenges we have? Sir, first one, LBP 1, LBP 2, LBP 3, LBP 4, you can see LBP 5, sir, 6 and 7 are there. So I'm going to start explaining the problems from 7th challenge onwards. And parallelly, you can able to see the current leaderboard position also. Okay. So just if you open in another tab, you can see these are the persons who are solving our problem. Okay. Sir, almost how many persons logged in? 15 members has logged in, including me. Okay, so try to practice from this. So link, every day I request everyone to practice by using this link. Okay, yeah, this is nothing but how to log in with hacker rank. Sir, if it is clear, then I will go with implementation of our programs. Sir, please confirm any doubts on the sign up. Clear, right? Yeah, especially new members, clear. Yeah, very good. So let me start our session. So yeah, so extract digits from the number. So what is your next logic based programming is nothing but LBP 7. So extract digits from the given number. This is nothing but the problem what we have. So let us explain the solution regarding this. Okay, so have a look once. So extract the digits from the given number. So how you can able to extract the digits from the given number? Suppose consider I have a number is there, n is equal to, sir, 123. My requirement is I want to get digits from this number. Okay, sir, how to extract the digits in the sense, sir, what is the first step that we have to do is divide this number into individual digits. So you can move in two directions. One is from the left to right you can go and from right to left you can move. Okay, so when you are moving from left to right, what digits we are going to get? 1 comma 2 comma 3. But when you are moving from right to left, sir, which digits we will get? Sir, 3 comma 2 comma 1. But which is recommended approach means not first one, second one is recommended approach. So, I request everyone to please be on mute. Nikhil, that is the reason why I have not given permission for you people to speak. So now this is nothing but what approach we have to use. But in this, which is recommended? Second one. Why? Because, sir, if you take the general number theory, this 3 is located at which position? Sir, you can able to see this is nothing but first position in the number system. It is a tens position in the number system, and it is a hundreds position in the number system. So extracting the data based on this number system is very, very easy for us. That's why the recommended approach is nothing but this one. Okay, so how you can able to achieve this? Very simple. So for this we have one algorithm is there. First I will type that algorithm. From that we will go with explanation. So observe clearly what is that algorithm is. While the value of n is not equal to 0. That means what? Until the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, I want to do like this. D is equal to n percentage 10, and then, sir, I am taking print of that d, print of that d. Then I am taking n is equal to n by 10. Remember carefully, sir, once if you understand this logic, rest of the things will become very easy. So this is nothing but a simplified logic, sir, how you can able to extract the numbers. Now, sir, I will explain how it is going to work manually by taking one example. Sir, observe carefully. For example, assume the number is nothing but, sir, 732. Like this I have. Okay. Sir, what is the first time? Is the value of n is equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Sir, first condition is true. Then I am calculating digit. What is the formula? N percentage 10. So if you divide 732 with 10, what will happen? Sir, 1073s are, so what we are going to get? 730. What is a reminder that we had is nothing but 2. 2 is nothing but reminder. We are capturing that reminder, right? So D will become 2, sir. Then, sir, what is the value of n? Now the latest value of n is nothing but 73. This is nothing but the first iteration what we have. Coming to the next time, the value of n is nothing but 73, sir, which is not equal to 0, right? So then if it is not equal to 0, condition is true. Sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10. That means what? You have to divide that 73 again with 10. So what will happen? 10 sevens are 70. Sir, what about the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 3. Sir, just I am capturing that remainder, and n will become 7. Latest value of n will become 7. Sir, this is the second iteration. What is the third iteration? The value of n is nothing but 7. Okay. Now, sir, what is the condition? N is not equal to 0. Of course, here, so 7 is not equal to 0. D value we have to calculate. Sir, how to calculate? You need to divide 7 with 10. Sir, 10 zeros, 0. The remainder is nothing but 7. So I'm going to get the 7 as a reminder, and n value will become 0. Sir, next fourth time, n is equal to 0. Sir, when n is not equal to 0, we have to continue. But n is equal to 0 means the loop got failed. Okay. That means, sir, what is our result now? You can able to see, sir, we need to print the value of d, right? At the first time, 2 is nothing but our value. Second time, 3 is nothing but our value. Sir, third time, 7 is nothing but our value. Sir, the answer is nothing but 237. Okay, sir, this value we have to print on the output screen. Sir, extract digits from the given number. If you see the observation of this particular program, LBP number 7, right? Let me open this. Sir, you can see here 123 means what value they are expecting. Sir, 321. 145 means what value they are expecting. 541, like this. So for this requirement, sir, we have to run the program. So hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, please confirm if the logic is clear, then I can go with the implementation of this same code in C++, Java, sorry, in C, Java, and Python. Please confirm any doubts up to this. I request everyone to respond, sir. Yes. So if you are having any doubt, please let me know, because the next problems will continue with this. What will be the logic if you go from left to right? Rakesh, we have reverse of the given number program. You need to apply that concept. So for this 7, what is the example I have taken? 732, reverse will become 237. And then you have to apply the same procedure. Okay. Then we will get 732. Clear, Rakesh? First reverse the given number, then we have to apply the same logic. Yes, yes. Yes, I think this problem is very clear for you people. Sir, let me go for implementation of this problem. Sir, I am saving this file with the file name. So we have our own directory is there with the name 8:30 p.m. Okay. Sir, there I am going to save this file. This folder itself you are going to get. Sir, LBP7. Already LBP7 is there. Sir, I am taking LBP7_1. Okay, this is nothing but what we have, and I need to work with C language first. So we know very well how you can able to solve this problem in C language. Okay, what is the first step? We have to read the input from the user. So I'm taking integer. Okay, I'm taking integer. So n value we have to take from the user. Okay, so integer n, which is nothing but to store the given number. Then sir, I'm taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. I'm storing the value of n from the user. Sir, once if you capture the value of n, then you need to calculate digits. For digits, I am taking extra variable t. Sir, now I have to take while loop. While the value of n is not equal to 0, we need to write a loop. What is that loop? Sir, first calculate d is equal to n percentage 10, because it is there in our formula. Next, we have to print that digit. And if you see in the output, after getting every digit, we have a space. That's why, sir, first percentage d followed by space, comma d we have to print. And n is equal to n by 10 we have to take. We need to iterate the numbers one by one. That's all. Let me click on run the code. Sir, is it going to work or not? Let me cross check. Sir, you can see test case 0 is cleared. Test case 1 is also cleared. We need to submit the code for final approval. Just I am clicking on submit so that all the test cases will be cleared. Yes, this is nothing but, so how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, I am taking C language implementation. This is nothing but our C language implementation code, right? Now, sir, I need to implement the same thing by using Java. So Java implementation, I want to provide implementation in Java. Sir, let us see how you can able to provide implementation in Java language. Okay. The concept is the same, only the instructions are going to be changed. Let me select a problem statement, and I am going to choose the programming language as Java. Then what is your requirement? You have to read a number. For that, I told already scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, sir, I am taking system.in. Then integer n is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading the number from the user. Sir, here I want to reduce the number of variables. I am not taking the digit d. Directly I am taking. While n is not equal to 0, sir, instead of calculating digit value, and after that we are going to print that digit, right? And followed by some space. But in the place of d, sir, directly I am taking n percentage 10, so that this d variable is need not to be taken, right? Because only one time we are using. Then n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Once if you run this program, sir, it will work with all the test cases what we have. Let me run. You can see all the test cases are cleared, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all these test cases also cleared. This is nothing but how you can able to solve in Java. Now I need to go with the Python implementation of this problem. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Sir, very simple. Just we have to go with programming language as a Python, and I'm going to take uh, n is equal to, sir, int of input. N is equal to int of input. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, directly I am printing, sir, n percentage 10, and end is equal to empty. If end is equal to empty, what is the meaning? Sir, after this it is not going to continue. Okay. Sir, next so end is equal to, just I have given space. Next, sir, don't take n is equal to n by 10, because in Python, sir, if you are taking n by 10, it will return floating point values. Remember carefully, it will return which value? Floating point values. But we need integer, so then we have to take n by 10. If you take n double slash 10, we will get integer. Remember carefully, this logic is applicable only in which programming language, sir? Python. So in Python, single slash will always return floating point value, double slash will always return. First, let me take single slash, we will run. Then you will get the clarity why we have to go for double slash. Sir, you can see here, have you observed some floating point numbers I am getting? Some floating point numbers I am getting, which is not my expected output. So how you can able to solve this? Better to take double slash. Now if you run, what answer we are going to get? Sir, both the test cases are passed successfully. And let us submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, I can take this as a first version of first version in our code. So this is nothing but first version. So what is the second version for this? Okay. So what is the second version for this? Sir, the best way to do the programming is nothing but with respect to Python. So because this much struggle is no need to place in this particular Python, directly we can implement by using some concepts called strings. Now observe carefully, n is equal to, I am taking input directly. Sir, they asked digits, right? Sir, for each I in n, just print the value of I. That's all. Comma end is equal to empty. Sir, what will happen? It is going to print all the digits in forward direction. Rakesh, have you asked, right? Sir, how you can able to print in forward direction? This is the mechanism. If you want to get in the reverse direction, sir, what we have to do? Yeah. So what we have to do? Just the same approach. N of colon colon minus 1. This is nothing but a slice operator what we have in Python. So whatever number you have given, it will convert it into reverse. From that, it will extract the digits. Don't consider that we are supplying a number. Even if you are supplying a number, I'm considering it as a string because we are not performing any mathematical operations. Suppose if you want to do any mathematical operations, then you have to read in the form of integer only. So that is nothing but let me check how it is going to work. Yes, both the test cases are clear. Sir, still I want to reduce the code. You can see how many times n we are using in the program. Only one time, right? That's why, sir, just I can replace the value of n with input. That's all. Let us run the code. So let us submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are cleared. This is nothing but how you can able to solve in Python. Sir, any doubts up to this? Java code I explained, right, by using while loop. That's all. No other option. Clear. Who asked this doubt? Shushant Chauhan. Clear. Printing the same order. We will see in some other classes. Because before this, we have to develop one function called reverse. So you need to call like this. Reverse of n. Then what will happen? It will be reversed. From that you are going to extract. Okay, don't get confused. In future we will get all such type of programs. Sir, any doubts on this challenge? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Yes, very good. Sanjeev, that's what I told in the beginning itself. Please concentrate well. Okay, in the next example, same kind of problem we will get there. I will explain. Okay, Sanjeev. Yeah. Sir, next few problems are similar type of problems. Okay. So observe carefully. Just I will explain the logic only for this one. Remaining things directly we will do. I won't explain with the help of diagram for the rest of the codes. Observe carefully. Sir, what is this one is nothing but LBP number 8. Sum of digits present in the given number. Sir, we know very well how to extract the digits. Okay, we know very well how to extract the digits. Sir, what is the logic for extracting the digits? Observe carefully. First, we have to check whether that number is not equal to 0 or not. If that number is not equal to 0, what is your requirement? Digit is equal to n percentage 10, so that we will get the digit. After that, sir, just we printed the value of d. What is the next step we have performed? N is equal to n by 10. This is our requirement. But now what they are asking, sum of digits. So declare one special variable called sum is equal to 0. Okay, one initial variable called sum is equal to 0. Instead of printing the digit, just calculate sum is equal to sum plus d. That's all. After completion of the loop, sir, I am printing the value of sum. Okay, after completion of the loop, I am printing the value of sum. This is nothing but the logic for calculating sum of the digits. Okay, sir, anyway I will explain with the help of a small diagram. Please concentrate, sir, which includes the previous program also. Listen carefully. Sir, I am giving n is equal to, okay, 1 minute, I will take here itself. Let me take n is equal to, sir, 123, like this. Could you please confirm what is the expected output? Yes, please. I request everyone to respond. What is the expected output? Please confirm. Very good. Oh, Sanjeev, I'm not asking about reverse. I mean, digits calculation. I am asking sum of the digits. Yes, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Now, this is nothing but our theoretical result. Let me apply this algorithm and then we will finalize. So, initially, what is the value of sum, sir? Initially, the value of sum is nothing but 0. Sir, it is stored in some variable. Then, what is the initial value of n? N is nothing but 123. Sir, is it equal to 0? No. So, condition satisfied. D is equal to, what is the value of digit? Digit is nothing but 3, what we got. Then sum is equal to sum plus d. Add this d to sum. Previously sum is 0, right? 0 plus 3 will become 3, sir. Okay, fine. Then n is equal to, okay, n is equal to n by 10. So n value will become 12. Already we have seen. So if you want, I will provide shortcut also. Please wait. So next time the value of n will become 12. Okay, condition is satisfied. Now the value of digit will become 2. So we have to add that digit to sum, right? Previously sum is 3. 3 plus 2 will become 6. Okay, 1 minute. 3 plus 2 will become 5, not 6. So then n will become 1, sir. Now n is equal to 1. Sir, is it equal to 0? No. Condition is true. D value will become 1. Then n will become 0. Right? So we have to add this 1. 5 plus 1 will become 6. Sir, next n is equal to 0. The condition is false. The loop is going to be terminated. And what we are printing? The value of sum. Sir, you can see what is the latest value of sum, sir? It is nothing but 6. So the answer will become 6. Okay. Sir, here, sir, 123, you are getting 3 and then 12. Very simple. 123 divided by 10, 12.3. Sir, percentage division means you have to take 3. Normal division means you have to take 12. Is it correct? Yes. Suppose if n is equal to 12, you have to take 1.2. Percentage division means 2. Normal division means 1. Is it correct? Yes. Sir, if you take 1, 0.1, percentage division means 1, normal division means 0. Is it clear? Yes. Sir, this is nothing but the algorithm what we have. Clear up to this, please confirm. Sanjeev, is it clear now? Still you have a doubt. Please confirm. Especially Sanjeev. Sanjeev, clear, right? Yes. So let me convert this into the programmatic style, sir. I want to convert this into programmatic style. So how you can able to do that? First, I want to go for C language implementation. Okay. Sir, we can also conclude that percentage division return reminder and slash division return quotient. Yes. Mayank, Mayank Kumar. Yes. Abhishek, where is your doubt? Okay, sir, one more time I'm explaining. Please listen carefully. First, we are going to divide the number. Initially, I'm taking sum is equal to 0 until the value of n is not equal to 0. So in this case, the value of n which they have given is nothing but 123. Sir, is this 123 is equal to 0? No. Then what is the second step? You have to calculate the digit 123 percentage 10. I told 123 percentage 10 means, sir, 123 you have to divide with 10. So 10 12s are 120, right? What remainder you are going to get is nothing but 3, which is percentage division. Okay. And we have to add that digit to sum. Previously, sum is equal to 0. By adding that 3, we are going to get 3. Okay. Then n will become quotient 12. This process we have to repeat until the value of n will become 0. Clear? Who asked this query? Abhishek. Yes. Yeah. Now let me go for C language implementation for this problem. Sir, I'm selecting problem number 8. Okay, let me go for C language implementation. Sir, here, what is our first step? Integer n. Additionally, we required sum is equal to 0. Need not to be sum, sir. Any variable name you can take. Just for my convenient, I am taking sum is equal to 0 and the digit we have to take. Right? Now, first step, you have to read the input from the user. Ampersand n I am taking. What is your next requirement? Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0. So digit is equal to n percentage 10 and sum is equal to sum plus a digit, n is equal to n by 10, right? Finally, so printf percentage d comma sum what we have. That's all. Sir, let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? So you can check all these three test cases are cleared. Now let us submit the code. So you can see all the test cases also cleared, right? So this is nothing but what we have. Someone is asking negative number. Rakesh, I have given the constraint that the number should be always positive. So if you want, you can check at top level. If n is greater than 0, then only we have to do this operation. Clear, Rakesh? So let me implement the program in Java. So I need to go for Java implementation. Let us see, sir, how you can able to provide implementation in Java. So let me select the problem statement and select coding as Java. So what is our next step? Sir, we have to declare scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir system dot in I am taking. Then integer n is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, I am reading the value of n from the user and integer sum is equal to 0 and digit must be required. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, what is our next requirement? D is equal to n percentage 10 and sum is equal to sum plus d. As usual, n is equal to n by 10. So finally, which value we have to print? Some value. System dot out dot println of just yes. So sometimes I'm using print, sometimes I'm using println. Okay. So when we have to use a print, if you want to continue to the next iteration also, we have to use print. Println means after printing this, automatically a new line character is going to be printed. Let me run the code. So you can see all the test cases are clear and let us submit the code for final approval. You can see all the test cases also cleared. Okay. This is nothing but Java implementation. Let me go for Python implementation. Okay. So let me go for Python implementation. So let us see how you can able to solve in Python. So here I am taking n is equal to int of input as usual. So sum is equal to initially 0 while the value of n is not equal to 0. So how to calculate a digit? N percentage 10 sum is equal to sum plus d, and I already told n is equal to we have to take n double slash 10. So print of d. Some students are asking, sir, why you didn't declare d value? So in Python, declaration of variable is not required. Directly we can use. Okay. Sir, let me run the code. So all the test cases are failed because the expected answer is a sum, but we are printing the value of d. Let me print sum. Yes, all the three public test cases are clear, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, all the test cases are clear. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Sir, this is, I can consider it as a first version. Okay, I can consider it as a first version. Sir, even if you want, you can do in the second version also. So somewhat difficulty will be there. Please understand well. Especially the people who are coming from Python background, please concentrate well, sir. Here, sir, I am taking the programming language as a Python. N is equal to, sir, while reading the input, please convert that input into string. Okay, please convert that input into string. So that what will happen, we will get the data in the form of a string. Okay, no need to convert. I think by default it will be in the string only. So I'm converting into list, so that if you print n, what will happen, we will get the list of values. Sir, you can see, so my if my number is, sir, 123 individual digits I got. If my number is 101 individual digits I got. If I am giving 173, sir, 173 individual digits I have. Sir, now from this I want to select each and every number. Observe carefully. So I, for each I in this input. Okay, sir, while converting, I mean while taking, I am converting into integer. So let me run the code. Yes, previously quotations are there, now quotations are not there. Sir, now there is one direct function is there with name sum, which will calculate sum of lists. Okay, now observe what will happen. Sir, is our test cases are passed or not? Yes. Now n is only one time we are using. Sir, you can replace here the value of n with this statement. So single line code. Sir, again I am explaining this line. Please concentrate well. Okay. Yes, sir, you can able to see here. So what is your first requirement? So first I am taking input from the user. Okay, from that input I extracted into list so that I got a list. So for each element in that list, I will select the element and I am converting into integer so that I got a big list. So with all integer values, for that I am applying which function? Sum function. Whatever elements are there in the list, it will return that sum. So hope it is very clear for you people, and let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. So this is nothing but a second version what we have. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. I request every student to please respond. Very good. Sir, now I have one query. Suppose if I have a number called n, so how you can able to check whether it is even number or not? What condition we have to apply? So already, sir, almost 2 to 3 programs we have done with that style, right? So please, can you please post it on chat window? Sir, how you can able to check whether the given number is even number or not? Based on that, next few programs will be there. Please confirm. Post it on chat window. Yeah, Sunil, I need in terms of logic, not in terms of words. Okay. Yes, n percentage 2 is equal to 0 means then it is a even, right? Very good. Now, sir, let us observe the second program. Is it a similar program or not? You can able to see sum of even digits. Okay, implement a program to calculate a sum of even digits present in the given number. Sir, if you are taking any number, in that even digits will be there, right? That even digits we have to count. Beyond that, nothing is there. I think no need to explain any algorithm related to this. Directly we can go with implementation, right? Sir, is the problem statement is clear for you people? Please confirm.
Sir, just one doubt.
Please, sir. Who is speaking?
Rakesh, sir.
Yeah, Rakesh, please go ahead.
Sum of even digit, na? Or
Yes.
even position digit?
No. Even digits, not even position. For even position, we have a separate program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes. So let me take C language implementation. Okay. So how you can able to solve this problem in C language? Same code, whatever we have taken for the previous program. Same code we have to take. So for first few programs, I will retype the code, sir. For the remaining, I will copy paste. Okay. And observe clearly, sir, I am taking the value of integer n and digit, and sir, sum is equal to initially 0. What is the first step? We have to read the value of n from the user. Then while the value of n is not equal to 0, now I am taking, sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10. Next, and after that, if that digit percentage 2 is equal to 0, then the number is nothing but even number. Okay, then that number is nothing but even number. So in such cases, sir, you have to perform sum of that digit. Then n is equal to n by 10. Remember carefully here, sir, this s is equal to s plus d is applicable only for this if, because we have not taken any curly brackets. Remember carefully, it is applicable only for that particular digit, I mean if condition. Sir, now finally whatever value we got, just we need to print. So printf percentage d comma sum. Now let us run the code and let us see what is happening here. Sir, all the test cases are passed or not? Yes. Sir, you can able to see. Let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are clear. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Now I want to go for Java implementation for this problem. Let us see how you can able to provide in Java. Let me take Java code. Sir, here as usual, we have to declare scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner. So system dot in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int. What is the additional variables required? D, and then sum is equal to 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10, and we need to take sum is equal to, so sorry, we have to check the condition, right? If d percentage 2 is equal to 0, sum is equal to sum plus d, and as usual n is equal to n by 10. So finally, system dot out dot println of sum I am printing. Let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? So you can see all the test cases are working, and let us submit the code for final approval. So you can see all the test cases are working properly. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Now, sir, I need to go for Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Sir, very simple. We have multiple versions are there, but I am taking the latest version, which is nothing but second version. Okay. Sir, the same code I am copy pasting here. Observe carefully. Same code I am taking, but here while extracting the numbers, sir, I am going to check one small if condition. Okay. If that condition is satisfied, if int of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, that means what? If that number is divisible by 2, select only such type of elements into the list, then perform some operation, right? Let me run the code. Yes. So let us submit the code. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but what we have. Yes. Sir, any doubts in this problem statement? Please confirm, friends. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear, right? Yeah. So try by yourself this program. Sum of odd digits, try by yourself. Okay. Yes. So, and I request everyone, okay, so please send a WhatsApp message to this number so that I will add your details. So your message format should be like this. Okay. So hi, and followed by your name and email ID. Okay. Email ID. So then Of course, mobile number is not required, and compulsory you need to mention LBP5 at 8:30 p.m. So with these details, please send a message to this number 9985852216, so that I will add your details in our WhatsApp group. In that I will share the link also, don't worry, our hacker rank link. And running notes maybe by tomorrow you will receive. Okay, already few students got the running notes, remaining students also you can receive by tomorrow. Okay, yes, Venkatesh, correct. You try by your own. Okay, tomorrow anyway I will explain. Okay, yeah, sir, that's all about today's session. Remaining things we will discuss tomorrow, sir. Yeah, you will get all the previous videos, Priyanka Chaudhary. Tomorrow I will instruct admin team to send all the details. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Yeah, good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah, Prabhakar, yes, I will inform admin people. Thank you. Good night.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Sanjeev.
Sir, running. I got the videos, your recording videos, but running notes, believe provided, not provided, sir. Running notes.
Tomorrow you will get, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.